How to quickly know if someone unfriended or blocked you on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly find out if someone has unfriended or blocked you on Snapchat. Sometimes it's tough to tell, but don't worry, I've got a few simple tricks you can use to know for sure. First, open your Snapchat app and swipe right to go to the friends screen. This is where you can see all of your current friends and conversation. Now search for the person you think may have unfriended or blocked you. You can simply do this by typing the username or scrolling through your friend list. Now, if the person has unfriended you, they won't show up in your friend list anymore. You might also notice that their snap score is missing and the cross sign is in their name. As you can see, here is the cross sign. This means this person has unfriended you. Another way to quickly tell is tap on the snaps, and here you can see their snap score and their birth date and everything has gone. This means they have unfriended you. And that's it. That is the quickest way to find out if someone has unfriended or blocked you on Snapchat.